कल्याण ज्वेलर्स, जैसा कि आप नाम से जानते हैं, देश की बड़ी दिग्गज ज्वेलरी कंपनियों में से एक है। ज्वेलरी डिजाइनिंग से लेकर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और बेचने का कारोबार करती है और हर एक तरह की ज्वेलरी बनाने का काम करती है। त्रिचूर में एक शोरूम के साथ शुरुआत की थी कारोबार की 1993 में, और अब इस वक्त कंपनी के पास 107 से ज़्यादा शोरूम हिंदुस्तान में है, 30 से ज़्यादा शोरूम मिडिल ईस्ट देशों में हैं, और कंपनी के पास 766 लोकेशन पर माई कल्याण और लगभग 2700 कर्मचारी हैं। तो बड़ी टीम के साथ कंपनी कारोबार करती हुई आज दूसरा दिन है आईपीओ का। पहले दिन आधा गुना से थोड़ा ज़्यादा भरा है, 86 से 87 रुपये का प्राइस बैंड है, और ऑफर फॉर सेल भी है, और फ्रेश इशू भी इक्विटी का ये कंपनी लेकर आ रही है। आइए बात करते हैं कंपनी के एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर टी.के. रमेश साहब हमारे साथ कार्यक्रम में शामिल हो रहे हैं, जो कंपनी के प्रमोटर भी हैं, होल टाइम डायरेक्टर भी हैं। साल 2000 से रमेश साहब कंपनी के साथ जुड़े हुए, जो कल्याण ज्वेलर्स ब्रांड के साथ जुड़े हुए। कर्नाटक यूनिवर्सिटी से उन्होंने कॉमर्स में मास्टर्स की डिग्री ली है और ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री में 20 साल से ज़्यादा का गहरा अनुभव रखते हैं। रमेश साहब, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। गुड मॉर्निंग, धन्यवाद जी बिजनेस के लिए वक्त देने के लिए। सर, सबसे पहले आपकी कंपनी के बिजनेस मॉडल पर ही राय लेना चाहता हूं, चूंकि ढेर सारी कंपनियां हैं ज्वेलरी सेगमेंट में, जो लिस्टेड भी है, अनलिस्टेड भी है। आपके बिजनेस मॉडल में क्या यूनिकनेस है, क्या अलग है जो आपको दूसरी कंपनियों से अलग करती है?
Kalyan Jewellers, today is one of the largest jewelry companies in India. We have we have 107 showrooms in India and 30 showrooms in the Middle East. The unique two major pillars for the brand is the brand has been built on the core principles of trust and transparency. We have been pioneers in launching a lot of fair practices in the industry like BIS Hallmark or rate tag, which shows the making charge of the product. The old gold exchange system was made more transparent. So the brand is built on the core principles of trust and transparency. And again, one more major differentiator is that we are extremely hyper-local. Hyper-local meaning whichever region or state where we are in, we try to adapt to that particular region. Our inventory will be adapted to that region. The branding will also be done very localized, and the sales team at the store will also be localized. So that is again a strong differentiator. The third one is that we have a unique marketing tool called My Kalyan. So My Kalyan is a neighborhood store which is in and around the main Kalyan Jewellers showroom. It is located in the rural and semi-urban India. The major objective of My Kalyan is to channelize customers from the unorganized segment to Kalyan Jewellers. So these are the three major pillars for the brand. And again, if you look at the promoters, including me, my father, my brother, all three of us are there in this business since inception over the past 3 decades now.
Right,
we
sir.
have an extremely good board. And Warburg Pincus is our investor for the past 6 to 7 years.
Yeah.
The corporate governance is as per or the best in the industry. So these are all the major differentiators.
वंडरफुल, सो नाइस। रमेश साहब, एक बात और बताएं। मैं आपके फाइनेंशियल्स देख रहा था आरएचपी में। एक साल कंपनी प्रॉफिट करती है, दूसरे साल लॉस करती है। लाइक मार्च 18 अच्छा प्रॉफिट था, 141 करोड़। मार्च 19 5 करोड़ का लॉस है। मार्च 20 अगेन वेरी गुड ईयर, 142 करोड़ प्रॉफिट। दिस ईयर फॉर फर्स्ट 9 मंथ्स 80 करोड़ का लॉस है, 80 करोड़। ये बार बार प्रॉफिट और लॉस के बीच में क्यों कंपनी है? क्या फाइनेंशियल्स कब स्टेबल होंगे, ये बताएं सर।
So first let us talk about the 3 years.
Right.
In between that, 2019, we had a revenue drop of around 10%. So on a retail company, when the revenue is dropping by 10%, that will directly flow to your bottom line, because we are on an expansion phase, or we were on an expansion phase wherein we cannot suddenly reduce our OPEX and marketing, etc., because we drop the revenue, because we have to think long term for the brand. So that year was very that year we had two major things which actually affected our revenue. The major reason was the change in the My Kalyan strategy. I told you about My Kalyan. My Kalyan, the only objective was to bring in customers from unorganized to Kalyan Jewellers. But what we did as a brand is that we tried out a new strategy. We stocked low ticket inventory in the store, in My Kalyan itself, and thought that My Kalyan itself can be a revenue center. And also the sale which is routed through My Kalyan will also come. That was our calculation, but it went wrong, wherein both did not happen properly. But now My Kalyan again, in that year itself, by the end, we changed the strategy. The very next year, the revenue as per the RHP is 17%. This year, 9 months, the revenue is 21% contribution from My Kalyan. So My Kalyan was the major factor for the revenue drop. And again, we had a very bad floods in South India. In Kerala, which was the major festive season, we had a flood. And that was the first time that Kerala saw a flood after 100 years, wherein people could not immediately kind of react to it, and people lost a lot of money. The households were kind of damaged, the electronic gadgets, cars, etc. were damaged. So they had to revive their life again. So there was a wealth destruction, and these two were the major factors where revenue dropped that year, which exactly flowed to the bottom line. The next year, the revenue grew back by 6%, even after losing out a March month revenue, because you know that from March the showrooms got closed, and we were sitting almost without revenue in the last 2 weeks of March or 3 weeks of March. And this year, if you see, the first quarter was already almost it was a washout because the showrooms were closed across India and Middle East. And Q3, if you see, it has been mentioned in the RHP that we are better than pre-COVID levels. And for the 9 months alone, India, the PAT is in the range of 72 crore, which was actually 99 crore in the last year of 9 months. Even after getting only 76% of the revenue of last year in India.
Okay.
So that 76%, I don't have to tell the reason. Everybody knows that the first quarter was meaning it was almost a washout.
Absolutely. Mr. Ramesh, another concern is the huge borrowing. आपकी बुक्स पे almost 2,864 crores ये borrowing है, और future cash flow इस साल का देखें FY20 would be around 200 crores. So it would take almost 11 years. 11 साल लगेंगे अगर आप अपना डेट अपने कैश फ्लो से रीपे करना चाहते हैं। तो ये जो इतना हेवी डेट है, इसको लेकर कंपनी के क्या प्लान्स है, कैसे आप कम करेंगे सर?
Yeah, so first of all, the debt is in the range of 3,500 crore.
Okay.
Including the metal
gold loan.
Okay,
right.
And
yes.
Yeah, metal gold loan. So if you look at what we have decided as a company is that now the debt equity ratio is in the range of 1:1.7. And post IPO money coming in, the debt equity ratio will be 1:1. And again, way forward, we don't intend to take any additional loans. So the internal accruals will add again, and the debt equity ratio will further come down. So that is the plan. So right after 1 week, 10 days, when the IPO money comes in, the debt equity ratio is going to be 1:1, which is will come down further in the next few years because the internal accruals will get added, and we don't intend to take any additional loan.
Okay.
So that is the plan.
परफेक्ट। रमेश साहब, एक और आपके DRHP में RHP में मैं जो पढ़ रहा था कि आपने हाल ही में अपनी प्रमोटर एंटिटी हाइडेल उसको ऑलमोस्ट 10 करोड़ शेयर अलॉट किए, 9.89 करोड़ 4 मार्च को ही, यानी इसी महीने 50 रुपीज 58 पैसा, यानी कि 50-51 रुपए के आसपास, राइट? एंड इशू इज कमिंग एट 87 रुपीज, which is almost 75% premium to what you have allotted to promoters just 15 days back. Why retail investors or new investors should pay so much premium in just span of 15 days? What has changed for company in 15 days that you are asking for such high premium than what you have offered to promoters 15 days back?
Okay. So Warburg, the total investment in the company is 1,700 crore, out of which 1,200 crore came in 2014. And that was immediately converted into shares at that point in time itself. The second investment came at 500 crore, which came in the year of 2017. So almost 3.5 years before it came in. That was converted on March 4th. So it is not kind of good to compare money which is going to come now versus money which came before 3.5 years. So it is not that 15 days may the change. It is 3.5 years before the money came.
आप ये कह रहे हैं कि 3.5 साल पहले उन्होंने प्रेफरेंस शेयर लिए थे कन्वर्टेबल, जो अभी कन्वर्ट किए, राइट सर?
Exactly, correct.
परफेक्ट, ठीक बात है. ओके सर, आईपीओ मनी वट एवर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑफर फॉर सेल, हाउ you are going to use it, sir?
So the total IPO size, it is 1175, out of which 800 crore is primary. Out of the 800 crore, in the RHP, it has been mentioned that 600 crore is to enhance the working capital. Enhance working capital means, for us, it is adding stores. So now Kalyan Jewellers is already spread across 21 states. The brand is known to all Indians. It is one of the most trusted hyperlocal jeweler in this country. So it will be adding stores in the existing regions where we are, because we have to kind of utilize the effort which we have done till today. It is only utilizing the brand created, utilizing the customer base, utilizing the purchase ecosystem which has been created, and again, the My Kalyan centers. So it is only a leveraging which we want to do in the future, and this 600 crore will go to kind of add additional stores. And historically, if you see, the investment per store has been in the range of 35 crore on inventory and 5 to 6 crore on capex, if it is about 5,000, 6,000 square feet of store.
परफेक्ट. थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर रमेश, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका इस बिजनेस के लिए वक्त निकालने के लिए. एंड माय बेस्ट विशेस फॉर योर आईपीओ. होप यू गेट excellent subscription.
Thank you for giving the opportunity. Thank you for giving the opportunity, and we are very excited that day one yesterday was very good.
Yes.
We already oversubscribed on the retail front. It shows the brand awareness for the public, and we really look forward for the next 2 days, including today.
Certainly.
So thank you very much.
Have
Thank
a
you.
great inning in stock market, in primary market during IPO times and post listing too. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.